Are you starting to find stairs harder? Perhaps you're using the handrail to pull yourself up rather than your legs. Well, if so, you're not alone. And I've got 3 exercises for you to try at home to build leg strength and make stairs easier. Now, I'd recommend getting yourself one of these little steps. You can make them higher and lower, so they're great for practicing on when stairs are quite chunky and you're not able to do them very well. If you don't have a step, you could use a yoga block or a thick, sturdy book to start with. We're always going to be next to something that we can hold on to as well. So the first thing we're going to practice is a step up on this lower level step. Plant the foot firmly. You're going to hinge into the hip crease so that your bottom is going back a little bit. And then you're going to push yourself up, and you're trying to push yourself up from the hips rather than throwing all your weight forward onto your thigh so that your knee takes more of the strain. So to do that, you hinge into the hip crease, you try and push from here and then come back down, obviously then doing it the same on the other leg. And you're going to do 10 on each leg. Our next exercise is a side step. It's all about strengthening the outer hip, which is what helps to keep us stable and steady as we go up and down stairs. So you're going to push onto that step, again hinge into the hip crease, drive up from the outer hip, come back down. You're going to have to tune into your body and think about where is doing the work. We want it to be largely here. You're going to do 10 to 15 reps and then switch onto the other side. Now we need to be strong going upstairs, but we also need to be strong going down as well. And that's all about hip control again. So we're going to stand on our step and we're going to drop down. So we're bending this knee, trying to keep it tracking straight. And then we're pulling ourselves back up by tightening these muscles. So we're going down and up. And if that's a bit too much for you, for your knee, for example, you could do it on an even lower surface. So again, like a book to start with, until you get a little bit stronger here. So you want to feel that these muscles are pulling you back up, and you're going to do 10 on each side of these. 3 really simple exercises there for you to try at home. You will get stronger if you keep working at it. I'm Maria from Older, Fitter, Stronger, and I'll see you soon.